22 days and counting for the 15 miners who remain to be trapped inside that rat hole in Meghalaya. And today, Supreme Court, taking cognizance of that, said that prompt, immediate and effective operation is required for rescue of miners trapped in Meghalaya. When asked about Additional Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, said that he will be uprising the court on the steps taken by tomorrow morning. And also the Supreme Court came out to say it's a question of life and death for the miners and every second counts. Remember, 22 days have passed since the 15 miners continue to be trapped in the East Jaintia Hills illegal mines in the area. Ratnadeep Chaudhary joining us on the phone line for the latest on this. Ratnadeep, the Supreme Court has taken a very strong cognizance of what's happening, asked for the government to come back with the report within 24 hours. Could you give us an update on what exactly is the progress on the ground?
That's right, Sonal. In fact, today is the 22nd day of the tragedy. Remember, this incident took place around 9 a.m. on 13th of December. And from 14th of December, NDRF was leading the operations there. At this moment, even as Supreme Court has taken a strong cognizance of this case and asked the centre to, come back with a proper reply within 24 hours. So this is something which is going to create pressure on the centre as well as state to speed up the operation. But at ground zero, what we are hearing is that, water was being pumped from an adjacent shaft for the last 2 days. So yesterday there was a decrease of 1.4 feet of the water level in the adjacent shaft. So it was expected that this will result in decrease in water level in the main shaft. But on the contrary, what the rescuers found this morning is that in the adjacent shaft where the water decreased actually yesterday has again gone back to the previous level. So this is the phenomena which was happening even when pumping was taking place in the main shaft through low power pump. So this has left the surveyors and the rescuers in a spot of bother. They're trying to rework the strategy. Now, this is a very remote location where this accident site is located. So also to take logistics, the machines and the pumps to that place is a challenge for the rescuers. But as Supreme Court has pointed out that whatever it is, but this cannot go on like this and it has to be scaled up. So this is something which now the Meghalaya government will have to answer to, not only at the court, but will have to also create a situation, create a more facilities as in terms of logistics for the rescuers, so that they can step up the operation. Now there are at least 18 high power pumps at the location, but at any given point of time only 2 can operate. For the other pumps to operate, you need a lot of generators. Remember, there is no power connection, no road to that location. So these bottlenecks are there, but these are the things which in these 22 days the Meghalaya government should have acted on it so that the rescuers are not stranded. Once again, it seems that the rescue process has gone slow with the water level increasing in the adjacent shaft, and the rescuers really now looking for another strategy, perhaps increasing the number of pumps as well as the duration of pumping of water in that location.
In fact, the Supreme Court has also come out to say that dead or alive, they should be taken out. Strong words there from the Supreme Court, perhaps also highlighting the various delays that we've seen despite those challenging conditions in which the miners have been trapped. Thank you, Ratnadeep, for bringing us the latest.